What is a PBN? It's a private blog network. Now, what that means is there's an individual, usually based overseas, Asia, Philippines, even Russia, for example, who operates a private blog network. Now, PBN is basically a collection of websites that all link to each other like a messy spider's web. A tool that's really good for this is Majestic. They've got a tool called Link Graph, and it gives you a visual representation of all the sites that are connecting to you, and it looks like a spider's web on the site. And what you can do is you can see clusters of sites that are all linking to each other. That indicates potentially a blog network. Now, it might be a big publisher media network. Don't just go ahead and delete all those links because they might be really valuable, but quite often they're blog networks. Now, the reason why someone wants to use a blog network is it will inflate the authority of the rest of the site. So imagine it's like a waterfall where water's coming into the top and it's trickling down, it's hitting all the wet rocks, and then it's going back up to the top through the clouds. Same sort of thing with the blog network. That authority has been cycled over and over again. Now, if you're using an agency, link building agency, or doing it yourself, you need to make sure that whoever you're using is checking to make sure that your link opportunities, the places that you could get coverage on, links back from, you're checking to make sure that they're not on a well-known blog network. So use Majestic, Link Graph, use a Class C IP address checker, make sure that they're not using the same hosting over and over again, or use a decent agency who'll be doing this as part of their due diligence. So a blog network is an individual who has lots of different websites connecting to each other. There's a big risk with them, because if Google finds that you're using link schemes or link manipulation, they can de-index all those links, or they could even de-index you, which means removing you from Google's algorithm and ranking system. So it means you're gone, disappeared, don't exist anymore. So you've got to be really, really careful.